Okay, this is Powerball 3-2-2026, Matrix 3 and 4. I drew my 45-degree lines from the zeros. Let me show you what happens here. I know this is a bit confusing. It was for me too. I mean, imagine all these lines thinking, where am I going to go with this? And then finding out it really is something, okay? I've already posted instructions on how this works for Powerball 3-2-2026, Matrix 3 and 4 without the lines. This one here, I'm just going to go over the lines, okay? So I took my angle finder and went from each zero at a 45-degree angle, okay? Each one, okay? Oh, I should have went that way. Oh, that's a 45 right there. Oh, come on. Forgot that one. Okay, that gets colored in. Okay, now where a zero at a 45-degree angle points at another zero, there's a number there. These lines here also tell you where the line will tell you where the numbers are, okay? Like it should be two here, it should be two numbers there right on that line. And there's a zero pointing at it. So I need to cover that line up. Okay, so there we go. There's a lot of them here, okay? This zero points at these two zeros, okay? This zero also points at this zero, okay? This zero points at this zero, okay, at a 45-degree angle. And look, there's a bunch of them here. There's three lines. One, let's see, no, only, well, this is the 45-degree angle from the zero itself, and then one through there. And then another one coming very close. So there's going to be more than likely two numbers right there. You can't have a 99, you can't have an 89, but you can have a 69 and a 59, or you can have 8 and 9. Okay? This zero points to this zero, that's 28. Like I say, this zero points right here, 28's also right there. Okay? This zero here points to that zero, so it's 28, or 8, 9. Okay? Could be single digits this time. Okay, so this is just 45-degree angle. Okay? Is all it is. The zeros are teaching me this, okay? Same with this one here. Not as many numbers, okay? Not all of these matrices, when you do it this way, are going to have all 6 numbers, okay? But this line, this zero points at this zero, very close. So I'm going to color that one in. This zero points at this zero directly, so there'll be a number there for sure, okay? This zero points at this zero. There'll be something there, okay? Don't know what, but something's there. May also include this zero. It could be 56, I don't know. 34, but it's going to be close to this zero. Stay over here. Stay over in this area, right in here, okay? Stay here, yeah. And this zero points at this zero. There should be something there at the top, okay? So I've taken all of those where the zero points at another zero and wrote them down. So there's matrix 3. Okay, and there's matrix 4. Now what I noticed is I don't see a 58. There's 58s everywhere over here, okay? But no 58s over here. But there is a 59. There is a 59 here. So maybe that's confusing. Yeah, there's a 59 right there. There's not many 8s over here. The only 8 I see is 68. The only 8 I see, and there's 68 right there, okay? So take these with a grain of salt. The heck is up with my camera? There we go. Okay, take these with a grain of salt. And we're just trying new things out here, okay, guys? We know, remember, we're doing the impossible. So, and you got to do something no one else can do, no one else has thought of. So this is it, okay? 45-degree angle lines from 0 to 0. Each 0 is telling on the other 0. So we're doing something that shouldn't be done. So we'll see how this turns out. But these dark zeros are the ones that are connected by other zeros. A lot of them on here, a lot of repeats. There'll be a bunch of repeats here. I also do matrix 1 and 2 the same way and write them down too in a separate piece of paper. This is for the people that come back. The 14 people that I have that come back and see this. It's not many people. And some days I wonder if it's even worth it or getting the word out. I don't know. Guess as long as I have at least 2 people, I keep doing this. So never going to amount to anything, but I hope the people that come here change an attitude that this is possible. We're going to get this. Every day I learn more and more from these zeros. And maybe by putting these lines up like this, you guys can also figure something out. Let me know in the comments what you found out. Okay, guys? All right, play on paper. This is for entertainment purposes only. Don't waste your money. See you.